birds have different types of feet and claws of birds. All birds have 2 feet. The feet of the birds are called claws. Birds use their claws to walk, hop around, catch, and hold food. Perching birds. Some birds have toes that help them to hold the branch of a tree very firmly, to rest or even sleep at night without falling. This act is called perching, and these birds are called perching birds. Perching birds like crow, sparrow, and pigeon have 3 toes in front and 1 behind. These toes curl around the branch and hold it firmly. Praying birds or birds of prey. Birds like eagle, hawk, vulture, and owl are flesh eaters. These are called praying birds. These birds have very strong and sharp claws for tearing the flesh of their prey. Their strong and sharp claws are called talons. Climbing birds. The parrot and woodpecker use their toes to climb up and hold onto the branches of trees. They are called climbing birds. Scratching birds. Birds like the hen and quail use their feet to dig the ground in search of buried seeds and insects. Swimming birds. Water birds like duck and swan have webbed feet to swim in water. The webbed feet help them to paddle and push water while swimming. Wading birds. Birds that can walk over shallow water are called wading birds. The crane, heron, and paddy birds are wading birds. They have thin and long legs with wide-spreading toes. Running birds. The ostrich is a running bird. It cannot fly. It has long and strong legs for running. Nests. Like us, birds need a home to live in. The home of a bird is called a nest. Before building a nest, the bird pair decides where to build the nest. Birds build nests to lay and hatch eggs, protect their eggs and birdlings from enemies, protect themselves from harsh weather. Nests of birds. Sparrow. It makes its nest in houses, trees, or any other protected place. The materials it uses to make its nest are mainly grass, leaves, straw, and cotton. Tailor bird. It sews its nest with its beak. The materials it uses to make its nest are thread, wool, and vegetable fiber. Vulture. It makes its nest on high trees. The nest looks like a shallow cup. The materials it uses to make its nest include sticks and twigs. Woodpecker. It makes its nest in tree trunks. It uses its chisel-like beak to make a big hole in a tree trunk. This hole is used as a nest. Weaver bird. It uses grass and twigs to make its nest. The nest is strong and big. The entrance is at the lower end of the nest.